Good afternoon to everybody. Just picking up a special order, cherry julienne pie. And I wanted to touch base real quick. So, as you've seen, or I think you've seen with my reposting of the clips of the last workshop I did, that I'm extending the replay availability date at the original rate till December 1st. And reason I'm doing this, people are still reaching out, still connecting with me, saying they're still going through the work, still doing the work. It was a 6.5 hour class, and they're still diving into it. And again, as long as people are doing work and changing and doing things, I will do everything I can necessary that's fair to allow and open up an avenue to assist in any way I can. This topic was around muscle strength, how to gain it through true training, and then as that relates in the intimate relationship between you and your symptoms and your injuries. There is something that is not getting talked about urgently enough, or with as much urgency as I would hope, that humans need to, moving forward, as part of their medicine. You need to understand how to train yourself. This cannot be something that we consistently outsource. It can't at all. That would literally be worse than if you always demanded somebody cook for you, or you always demanded somebody clean you, or take care of putting you to bed and dressing you. And I know that there are worlds where people are choosing this, and that's fine. But our ability to cook for ourselves, drive ourselves around, ambulate, take ourselves to and from, clean ourselves, bathe ourselves, put ourselves to bed, defend ourselves, comes from your strength, your muscle, your energy currency. And that is through directly the only conscious tissue you can control, which is muscle. You gain muscle, and you gain connection to muscle, more importantly, through training, true training, not physical activity. Physical activity like walking, hiking, driving, gardening are things you do because of training. But the world, not just America, the world has lost its ability to even be able to slightly comprehend how to acquire strength on your own, how to create an independent lifestyle. Instead, we're creating this dependency, and it's getting trillions of dollars thicker. Trillions of dollars spent on keeping you latched to physical ability, gaining physical ability because somebody is allowing you to do so, and that has to stop. Has to stop. That's why every case, no matter who I work with in a one-on-one setting, no matter who it is, no matter what their goals are, no matter who they are, man, woman, ages, labels that they've accepted, diagnostics, imaging, labs, tests, symptoms, injuries, it doesn't matter, from hospice to preparing to have a child, to avoiding surgery, to whatever. We have to start with muscle, your ability to gain it, how you see where it is in your life. And that's what our starting point is, the why you see this as important. And then comes the how. The how becomes very clear and very obvious. And then past that, we go into every element that's going to affect muscle in every given way. And that then leads to your understanding of every inch of your life that would touch your symptoms and why your symptoms are present. But we have to start muscle. So that's what this class touched upon. That was the focal point of this topic. 6.5 hours on everything around this conscious tissue, the only one that you can control, muscle, and why. 6.5 hours. And then what I provide as well are training movements based on patterns, so you can start to create from an ingredients list your daily training, and you understand where that is. And we're approaching a season, hopefully in the Northern Hemisphere, where everybody is slowing. Everybody is deliberately going to be slow, because the light is shifting, seasons are shifting, temperatures are changing. We're supposed to be slow, but the world is going to be throttling. You're going to have to make a conscious effort to not. But when we go slow, it gives us an opportunity to see things that we wouldn't have when we're speeding up, or when we're busying ourselves, or trying to stay busy. And part of that freedom that you're accessing when you slow down is a gain in energy. And when you gain energy, you spend it. And the wisest investment of that energy to be able to then be spent on other things is training. I had somebody ask, so in the seasons coming up, human move, older human move more, injured human move most. If we're dealing with symptoms or we're approaching deliberate season where we're going to slow ourselves so we train less, absolutely not. No, you are going to train even more, resorting and hibernating into your cave as you start to assess and see things in your life that you wouldn't normally have been able to see. And this class helps connect the dots to put this together. So reach out to me if curious about it, info@TommyJohn.com. And as I said, I'm extending the replay at the original rate, because when it goes from the original rate to just the menu of rentals of all the workshops I've done in the past on various topics, it gets bumped up a little bit. Those topics being hanging, all things hanging, calf jump, spinal hygiene, relationships, mental health, living from the heart, doing the tough stuff, hormones, menopause, andropause, nourishment, 2 sections where I've done edits from my book, and then specifics on hands and specifics on feet. So those are all available for 21-day at least rentals. Some people need more time, and that's totally cool. So email me if you're concerned about this topic or have details or questions around any of this stuff. But again, I love hearing that people are still diving into the information. 6.5 hours is no joke. I understand that, but people are still pulling it apart and still connecting the dots and still having some things that they're understanding about themselves. And so when I hear that, absolutely take some more time. Boom. So if anybody wants to take advantage of that slack that I've given, please email and let me know how I can help in any way. All right, time to go eat some special order pie.